Trying to figure out how to use a VPN for the first time? No worries, I've got your back. In this easy NordVPN tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to install NordVPN, how to connect safely on Windows, Mac, and mobile, and how to unlock the best features like threat protection, kill switch, split tunneling, and more. By the way, check out the best deals in the description below or scan the QR code on your screen. You will get an exclusive discount for trying out NordVPN. Install NordVPN. Let's start simple. To install NordVPN, go to the official website, download the app, and install it just like any other program. You can use it on up to 6 devices at once, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. Connection methods. When you open NordVPN, you will see an interactive world map. Just click on any country to connect to a server there, or use the Quick Connect button to let NordVPN find the fastest server for you. NordVPN covers 118 countries with over 7,700 servers. You will find different types like standard servers for everyday use, P2P servers for safe torrenting, double VPN for extra encryption, obfuscated servers to hide your VPN use, and dedicated IP servers if you want your own unique IP. NordVPN supports both manual and automatic connection strategies, and everything is designed to be super user-friendly. Security protocols. NordVPN uses 2 main security protocols. NordLynx recommended. It's fast, modern, and uses SHA-256 encryption to protect your data with minimal speed loss. OpenVPN, a more traditional option that uses AES-256 encryption. Still very secure, but a bit older. You can switch between them in settings. Kill switch features. To stay extra safe, turn on the kill switch. There are 2 kinds. Internet kill switch. Shuts down your internet if the VPN drops. App kill switch cuts off only selected apps like torrent clients. This prevents any of your data from leaking if the VPN disconnects, so always keep it enabled. Now for some powerful extras. Advanced features. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps go through the VPN. For example, you can route only your torrent app while leaving the rest normal. Threat protection blocks malicious websites, trackers, annoying ads, and malware before it reaches your device. Note, on iOS, threat protection is a light version, and split tunneling isn't available. 2 more tools worth using. MeshNet. Connect your devices or share with friends in a private encrypted network. Great for file sharing or gaming. Dark Web Monitor, it scans dark web database and warns you if your email or personal info is found in a data breach. Performance and streaming. NordVPN is one of the fastest VPNs available, and it keeps up to 90% of your base speed, especially if you pick a server near your location. It also works great for streaming. All servers are optimized, no need to search for special ones. You will have smooth access to your favorite platforms even when you're traveling. NordVPN works almost the same on Windows and Mac. The mobile apps are slightly different, and iPhone users get a light version of threat protection. Overall, you can connect up to 10 devices at once, and everything syncs across your accounts. Pricing. NordVPN offers affordable subscription plans, and if you're not happy, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's a low-risk way to try out one of the most trusted VPNs out there. Don't forget, the best NordVPN deals are waiting in the description, or just scan the QR code on screen to grab your discount now. And that's it. Now you know how to install NordVPN, connect to servers, and use its best security features. Whether you're into privacy, torrenting, streaming, or just safer browsing, NordVPN's got you covered. If this video helped, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.